Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast. Last summer, my wife and I embarked on an unforgettable journey from the vibrant streets of Toronto to sun-kissed shores of Italy. Our adventure began with a transatlantic flight, landing us in the historic city of Rome. But this was just the beginning of our voyage into the world of mesmerizing landscapes, charming towns, and the sparkling waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. From Rome, we hopped on a train that whisked us away to Naples. And from there, we took another train to our next stop, the charming coastal town of Sorrento, where we would call home for the next 4 nights. Perched on the cliffs overlooking the turquoise waters, Sorrento served as our gateway to some of the most enchanting destinations on Earth. Over the course of our stay, we explored the hidden treasures of Amalfi, meandered through the colorful streets of Positano, found serenity in the quaint village of Atrani, and ventured to the legendary island of Capri. So join us on this visual journey through the Amalfi Coast, where ancient history and the modern-day charm collide, where culinary delights tantalize the taste buds, and where each breathtaking vista left us in awe. This is our story, our adventure, and our love letter to Amalfi Coast. So sit back, relax, and let us transport you to this Mediterranean paradise that stole our hearts. Welcome to the day 1 of our Amalfi Coast escapade. The sun is high, the skies are clear, and we're ready to dive into the enchanting beauty of the town of Amalfi. From our hotel, we hop on the Vista bus and embarked on this unforgettable adventure. Arriving at Piazza Flavio Gioia, we are immediately greeted by the postcard perfect charm of Amalfi. The azure waters stretch out endlessly from the pier, and we can't help but soak the breathtaking scenery. Strolling into the heart of the town, we find ourselves in the lively Piazza Duomo. The energy is infectious, and we decide to treat ourselves to some delicious lemon sorbet, a local specialty that's an absolute must-try. With our taste buds satisfied, we venture into the narrow, winding street of Via Lorenzo di Amalfi. Every step is a visual feast, with colorful buildings and charming shops lining the way. As the sun reaches its peak, we make our way to a quaint restaurant along Amalfi Drive for a leisurely lunch. The flavors are divine. Post-lunch, we decide to explore the nearby gem of Atrani on foot. The cobblestone streets and cozy squares steal our hearts as we lose ourselves in the charm of this hidden treasure. I hope you're liking the video. If you are, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The day winds down and we make our way back to Amalfi, where we catch a ferry back to Sorrento. The sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over Tyrrhenian Sea, a perfect end to an incredible day of exploration. On day 2, we are revving things up with a thrilling scooter ride to iconic town of Positano. Our trusty scooter whirs to life as we set off from our hotel, the wind in our hair and the promise of Positano ahead. The coastal road unfolds, revealing the stunning vistas of the Tyrrhenian Sea, a prelude to the beauty that awaits. Arriving in Positano, we are welcomed by the sight of colorful buildings cascading down the cliffs. We park our scooter and take one of the winding roads that brings us to the heart of Positano Beach. The golden sands and azure waters beckon, and we can't resist but soak in the Mediterranean bliss. Wandering through the labyrinthine streets, we explore boutiques filled with unique treasures. From handmade ceramics to vibrant textiles, each corner holds a piece of Positano's artistic soul. Souvenirs in hand, we continue our journey through the enchanting streets. As the sun begins to descend, we make our way to the enchanting Daga Brisa restaurant, perched on the cliffs. The panoramic views set the stage for a delightful dinner. The aroma of local delicacies fill the air as we savor the flavors of Positano. Navigating the hilly town on foot is no easy feat, especially under the summer sun. Yet, every step is a testament to the captivating allure of Positano. The challenge is rewarded with stunning vistas and the warm hospitality of the locals. The next day is all about the legendary island of Capri. The shuttle bus drops us in a plaza in the heart of Sorrento. A short 15-minute walk to the charming Corso Italia leads us to Sorrento port, where the anticipation for our Capri adventure builds. The ferry ride to Capri is a journey in itself. As we glide over the azure waters, we are treated to panoramic views of the island. Upon reaching Capri, our aquatic journey takes another exhilarating turn. Boarding another vessel, we embarked on an around the island boat tour, a seafaring ballet with nature herself. Navigating the crystalline waters, our boat gracefully unveils hidden coves and majestic cliffs. Each turn of the tide exposes the secrets of Capri's shoreline, leaving us spellbound by the sheer beauty of this Mediterranean jewel. As the boat gracefully cuts through the cerulean waves, our eyes feast on the panoramic views of Faraglione di Capri, a trio of iconic sea stacks. It's a nautical dance with nature that leaves us in awe. After the aquatic adventure, we make our way on foot to the renowned restaurant Panorama Capri for a mouth-watering lunch. The flavors are as delightful as the view, truly a feast for the senses. Post-lunch, we stroll to the iconic Piazzetta di Capri, offering a breathtaking view of the island. The charm of Via Cambarella beckons as we walk past boutique shops and cafes, immersing ourselves in island's chic atmosphere. Our footsteps take us to Belvedere Tregarra observation deck, where the views are nothing short of spectacular. From here, we drink in the beauty of the rugged coastline and the azure sea stretching into the horizon. As the day unfolds, we trace our steps back to the bustling piazza and then to the Mariana Grande to catch the ferry back to Sorrento. The sun sets behind us, casting a warm glow on the iconic cliffs of Capri, a perfect farewell to an unforgettable day.